because I spit hot fire.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're new and haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. Alright, so what are we doing today? I wanted to shoot this quick video about what I have done to the car. I did this kind of before, but it's really to update the newer viewers on what's done to the Genesis Coupe and things like that. Obviously, as you saw in the beginning, and go back and watch the last video, I found out that my car spits flames, spits that hot fire, which was kind of cool to find out. And I wasn't intending to find that out. I just wanted to hear how it sounded on video without the car moving inside the tunnel and things like that. So, and obviously I found it out. So what have I done to the Genesis Coupe since I bought the car? Obviously, you see there's the car right there. Alright, so I actually have this list right here. Alright, and I can actually cross some of that stuff off the list, but we'll go through that list. So and don't mind me if I'm tells me that the light is better this way. Don't mind me if I'm looking over that way, because there's a lot that's done, or a lot of things that I have that you guys should hear about, so, and I don't want to miss, and sometimes it's a pain in the ass to remember. So let's get started. So I have BTR tuned ECU. Obviously you saw from the beginning, that's what the when I went into launch control and things like that, have all the options that I could get for that K&N tune. Let me see, I have a Mishimoto intercooler and piping, sorry, I can't even read my own handwriting. A 3-inch O2 housing, ISR 3-inch downpipe, which I got for my birthday actually one year, an ISR 3-inch test pipe, which I got that for my birthday as well. Sometimes I just ask for money instead, and then I go buy what I want. Currently we have a CNT exhaust on there, there's a, if you go back and check out my other videos, I actually had the CNT on, then I had the Tsudo on, and then I put the CNT back on, and that was because something happened. Just go back and watch the videos and things like that. But something happened at emissions where it basically messed up the CNT. Now the CNT is actually modified. I did modify the muffler, basically removing it and having it turned into a true Y-pipe. So that's that. Let me see what else. I have an ACT clutch, an ACT flywheel, and that was because the stock flywheel basically failed, and so I needed a whole new flywheel, and I might as well change the clutch too. So I went with a single mass flywheel, which brought the weight down to, I think it's like 20 pounds from 33 pounds or something like that, so it's lighter obviously. We have and by the way, in one of, oh, here we go, right here, that's the new ACT flywheel, because there's nothing wrong with the one that's in the car, but since building the block, obviously, I need to have the crank and rods and flywheel all balanced together, and actually they did some balancing so the flywheel is actually balanced as well. So, you know, this is it's been a fun project so far. Let's see, I have Vordoven Forme 9 wheels. They're 9.5 inches in the front, 10.5 inches wide in the back. Awesome looking wheel. So if you're interested in that wheel, that's what they are. I have lowering springs all the way around. Although people keep telling me I should, well, they tell me that the ride height is perfect, things like that, but I think eventually I'm going to go with coilovers and just make sure the whole suspension is done right. Let's see, I have a K&N air intake. It was the first, obviously the first mod I bought. An Equus boost gauge. Pet Boy, shout out to you. I do probably need a digital one though. Let's see. So what I have on this other list is things that are waiting to be installed. And that, again, it has to do with the fact that you've got the block here, the ACT flywheel here, ISR Evo 9 20G turbo. We've got the ISR Evo 8, Evo 9 turbo conversion kit here. Let's see, I'm basically going through this list as I'm standing here. Oh man, that's so much. Wow. So let's see, what did I just knock off the list there? Okay, anyway, so let's see, the ACT flywheel, obviously the new one I just mentioned for the third time. Obviously the second block that I've built, it's practically done. We have there are Wiseco forged pistons in there, K1 technology forged rods. Again, I already mentioned the Evo 8, Evo 9 turbo conversion kit, the Evo 8. So let me just preface this too by saying I have two Evo 9 turbos, and because I bought one off of eBay, and then I saw that Gen Racer or ISR basically had reworked the Evo 9 turbos, so I ended up buying another one. And so actually I have this Evo 9 turbo right here that I did, obviously, and painted it black because it just looks good. But yeah, so that's the story with that. If you see the twin turbo Genesis Coupe, possibly that's what that's all about. But no, I'm not doing a twin turbo. Don't got that money. Let's see here. I have ARP main studs, ARP head studs. I have ACL rod bearings and ACL main bearings. Let me see. I had to buy a new crank because the crank was whoever the person who owned this block before, they spun the bearing and they spun it bad enough to where they didn't actually have a bearing size that would fit if they had machined the old crank, so I had to buy a new crank, $425. Let me see here. I had to get crank dowel pins, which I had to get that. I have ISR differential mounts, which I still need to install on the car and things like that. What else do I have? Okay, so in the house, because I didn't want to keep it in the garage, I have a brand new Haltech ECU, and that is because with the mods that with everything that's going on, especially Evo 9 Turbo, I can't use the BTR tune for that turbo and things like that. And obviously I want it to be efficient, and so I went with the Haltech ECU, $1,500. What else? A Comedic head gasket, an HKS blow valve kit, which, do I have that open? Oh, there's some of it. Where's the blow valve actually? Oh, but before I miss it, I have a Mishimoto thermostat, a new one. I'm sure you guys don't care about the Gates belt, Serpentine belt. It's nothing crazy. What else? What else am I missing? Oh, so I thought I was gonna have to get a wastegate actuator, but fortunately the new turbo comes with one. So because it's the Evo 9 turbo, so I can cross that off my list. ECT custom, Haltech, blah 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 blah. Did I miss anything? No, I didn't miss anything. So what's left? So there are two things left, and it's on my list, and I ordered those yesterday. But you're gonna have to wait to see what those are when they come in, which should be in the next, I think next week or so. So, and then we will continue with the build. Again, it's almost done, so you know, if you guys are getting a little impatient, which I can understand why, I was taking my time and things like that to get this built. And then obviously the timing cover, again, I still need to just cover some of these holes and then paint the timing cover and things like that, plus the valve cover that I'm going to paint. So, you know, those are the things that I've done as far as with the motor and things like that, getting this to where kind of I want to have it. You know, will I do stuff like wide body? I don't know. I'm definitely eventually going to change the rims, the wheels at some point, and you know, go from there. This has obviously been a fun project. Oh, I can tell you the next mod for my car that's going to actually happen today, and I think you guys will definitely agree that the next mod for the Genesis Coupe is, it needs to be washed. Yeah, that's kind of dirty. Look at that. Look. Yeah, that's the color of my wheels right there. Yeah. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Again, stick around. My channel is growing. It's because of you guys that it's growing and things like that. So, keep watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Yes, I'm having my steps done right now for Lisa. But anyway, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button again. Again, my channel's growing. It's always because of you guys. If you guys have any questions about what I'm doing or how much something costs, let me know in the comment section. And until next time, make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.